DirecTV Stream versus YouTube TV. In today's video, we're going to compare DirecTV Stream and YouTube TV so you can decide which is the best live TV streaming service for you. When it comes to the pricing and plans, YouTube TV costs 72.99 per month with over 100 plus channels and unlimited DVR, while DirecTV Stream starts at $79.99 per month with 75 plus channels but offers premium add-ons like HBO Max. When it comes to channel lineup, YouTube TV has more sports channels including NFL Network and NBA TV. DirecTV Stream is great for regional sports networks like RSNs and perfect for local sports fans. When it comes to DVR and streaming features, YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR with 9 months of storage, while DirecTV Steam gives unlimited DVR but only saves recordings for 90 days. When it comes to device compatibility, both work on Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, and mobile devices, but YouTube TV has a more user-friendly interface. So which one is better? If you love sports and cloud DVR, YouTube TV is the way to go. But if you want regional sports and premium add-ons, DirecTV Stream is worth considering. Which do you prepare? Let me know in the comments. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.